What's going on, guys? Jordan here with Roosterfish Media, and today I'm here to talk to you about 5 tips to build your YouTube presence. So when it comes to building a presence on YouTube, there's a lot of factors that play into it. So today I'm going to give you 5 simple tricks to boost your YouTube presence immediately. Number 1 is that consistency is key. So the first thing that you need to understand about YouTube is the algorithm. The algorithm determines what the viewer is going to see and what is going to pop up first on their search page when they're looking up something on YouTube. One of the most important factors within the algorithm is that it favors consistency on a YouTube channel. Meaning if you upload every single week on the same day and the same time, the YouTube algorithm is going to favor your videos to prospective viewers. And this is really simple to accomplish. All you have to do is, let's say you want to upload once a week. So every single week you pick a specific day and a specific time on that day, and you never stray from it if possible. That way that your content is consistent. Every Wednesday you upload at 9 a.m. sharp, no matter what. And that's going to start the process of getting your videos to the top of the algorithm and the top of the search bar. Tip number 2, more content equals more traffic. Going back to the algorithm again, it favors you based on the amount of content that you produce on your channel. For example, the algorithm is going to send more traffic to a YouTube channel that posts 3 times a week versus the channel that only posts 1 time a month. Number 3 is you want to build rapport with your audience. Talk to the audience, tell them about yourself, let them get to know you on a more personal level, and begin to build that relationship with them so you can communicate with them in the comment sections. Encourage them to ask you questions, encourage them to be active on the channel and be a part of the community that you're bringing to the YouTube video. Not only will this build you an extremely loyal following, but it again will favor the algorithm because you're actively getting comments, likes, shares across your channel as well. Tip number 4, and I cannot begin to overstate this, video topics should be very broad. The more broad your video topic is, the larger of an audience you have the ability to capture. So for example, if I were to make a video that was 5 tips for real estate agents, that's a pretty narrow search base because it's only appealing to real estate agents. So I'm narrowing my reach because it's only appealing to one specific group of people, realtors. But if I title that same exact video, 5 life-changing tips that every salesman should know, then that's a much more broad video title, and you're not only gonna reach the realtor audience that you were looking for, but a larger audience of salesmen in general. Last but not least, tip number 5 is that thumbnails are more important than you think they are. Think about a thumbnail as like the flashy clickbait or that spicy title on a news article that you just have to read. You gotta click on it and find out what it says. Your thumbnail is doing the same thing for your video. So if your thumbnail doesn't look interesting or if it's not shocking enough to capture the attention of your viewer, then you're doing yourself a disservice. You want your thumbnail to stand out and you want it to be bold so you can grab the attention of your viewer immediately. As soon as they see your thumbnail, they're gonna think, I have to click on this because I wanna find out what happens next. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for more information on how to build presence on YouTube, be sure to visit our page, Roosterfish Media, and we will catch you in the next video.